Happy Monday, Luminaires. My name's Jamie Butler. It is early this morning. I'm still in my pajamas and drinking my first cup of decaf coffee that I watered down and love. Here comes my cat. I wanted to touch base with you, and I apologize for this low quality camera here, but I'm not at the office because this morning I dropped my daughter off at school and she asked me, "Mom, do we have a religion?" Because she heard some other families talk about their religion, and I thought, okay, well, it's a 5-minute drive to the bus stop, but here we are. This is the question of the morning. I barely have my eyes open, and I told her, no, our family doesn't have a specific religion, but that we do have a belief system. Here's my other cat, Aloha. Good morning, BB. And that our belief system is that we encompass all that is. And I described my belief system as being mine, and that she was a different person, and that she might believe in it in a different way. So that I asked her just to listen to my words, but not to take them as her own. That I would like to be her teacher here, but this is not like math. And I described the human body as being trained to be a garbage disposal. And of course, that gets anybody's attention. But I meant it as, we put a lot of things down the garbage disposal, and it's supposed to just turn and chop it up and make mince out of it and get rid of it. So it processes it. But if we run water down a garbage disposal or air, what job does the garbage disposal have? It's not useful to that subtle different texture. So I was telling our bodies are made up of the same energy that our animals are made of, that our plants are made of, that the earth is made of, that all that is made of, and that there is a subtleness to us that I believe that we're taught not to pay attention to, kind of like the garbage disposal metaphor. And I paused, I let her process what I just threw down, and she just goes, huh. I kind of believe in the same thing. And it was pretty cool to hear her say that, but it was the pause that was more phenomenal, because when my child pauses, it means she's processing it and she's getting it. And I'm hoping that another conversation comes after this. And my purpose of sharing today was more of, sharing how I managed an on-the-spot question in my way. I'm not saying this is how to do it. I'm not saying I even had the right answers that fit you and your family situation, but I hope that helps some of you Luminaires when we go to teach our kids about energy and spirituality, and not making it into a religious system, making it as a spiritual system, which is something that we personally own. Each and every one of us personally own. Okay, it is Monday. Have a great one. Much love to you guys. Remember, it's not woo-woo, it's true-true. Bye.